I'm John Shope from Sinister Industries. We're going to run you around this, our newest creation here. Custom lids, the whole back end we did, lace frame. This is a fail safe. When you air it up, it automatically kicks in, so if it loses an airbag, it won't kill you. Exhaust out the bottom, 30-inch wheel, only 40 degrees a rake. The fairing turns with the handlebars. This thing rides like a dream. Hydraulic clutch, our glove box doors, windshield. You can see how tucked it is under here. Let me fire it up for you.